Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. The femur is positioned medially, making the lateral surface of the greater trochanter the attachment site for the gluteus medius muscle. As observed, the gluteus maximus is positioned posteriorly, the gluteus medius in the middle, and the gluteus minimus anteriorly. The gluteus maximus originates from the sacrum and ilium of the hip bone and inserts on the posterior aspect of the upper femur, specifically at the gluteal tuberosity. The gluteus medius attaches laterally to the greater trochanter, while the gluteus minimus inserts anteriorly on the greater trochanter. Since both the gluteus medius and gluteus minimus crosses the hip joint anteriorly, they function as medial rotators. In contrast, the gluteus maximus acts as a lateral rotator because it crosses the hip joint posteriorly. We got a question: action of muscle attached to the area marked on the image shown. Based on our discussion, gluteus medius attaches to the lateral surface of the greater trochanter and functions as an abductor and medial rotator. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Cheers.